Body spray versus perfume. Think your perfume keeps you fresh when you sweat?
Use Axe for irresistible fragrance plus lasting freshness, even when you sweat. Axe. Can Dove regenerate smoothness of extremely damaged hair? We test it out in a dark room. Glowing areas represent damaged hair. We treat the damaged hair with Dove conditioner. Dove regenerates extremely damaged hair as fast as 1 minute, so there's practically no glowing signs of damage. Dove.
Mukha kang pagod. Tumakbo ka sa marathon?
Marathon? Parati lang akong pagod.
Ang putla mo, did you just see a ghost?
Ghost? Parati lang akong maputla.
Pagod at maputla? Maaring sintomas yan ng iron deficiency. Sangobion. With organic iron and blood health builders that help strengthen the blood. Help break free from tiredness and paleness with
Sangobion.
Gawa ng gawa, hindi ngumangawa.
I-mark na yan!
Ituturo ang tamang direksyon sa edukasyon.
I-mark na yan!
Pangangatawanan ang kalusugan ng bayan.
Ayan! I-mark mo yan!
Nagtatrabaho para magbigay ng trabaho.
I-mark natin yan!
Hindi mapagmalaki, pero may pagmamalaki.
Mark namin yan!
Markahan ang number 62 sa balota, Mark Villar.
Tinola, for my future pilot, di kinain yung gulay?
Dapat kasi may Knorr Chicken Cubes. May sarap ng isang buong manok na matagal na pinakuluan sa isang cube. Nanunuot ang sarap hanggang sa gulay.
Take two.
Gawing delicious and nutritious with Knorr.
Showtime? Game na! Kahit mahangin o kahit anong galaw mo, bangong panalo sa Sunsilk with 5-flower perfume for 5 times smoother and fragrant hair. Panalo! Nakakagigil! New Sunsilk Triple Sachet.
Nanghihinayang sa damit na minahal mo.
Hirap! Give up na!
Kulat ka, drama queen? Subukan mo to. Tide Perfect Clean. Tanggal ang dumi kahit sa kwelyo at kilikili.
Tide Perfect Clean.
Extra effort ka pa rin kas napkin mo bitin.
Switch to Whisper Breathable Nights. Longer, wider, with deep anti-tagos channels. Sa isang night napkin, mas may coverage ka than 2 regular napkins.
Hinga lang, girl.
With Whisper Breathable Nights.